Have you ever found yourself staring at your Questrade app, wondering how to finally get your hard-earned cash into the market? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to break down the process of depositing funds on the Questrade app, step by step. Questrade is a popular online brokerage platform that offers a wide range of investment options, from stocks and bonds to ETFs and mutual funds. But before you can start investing, you need to fund your account. So, let's dive in and learn how to do just that. Step 1. Open the Questrade app. The first thing you need to do is open the Questrade app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it in your device's app store. Step 2. Log in. Once the app is open, enter your Questrade username and password to log in. If you're having trouble logging in, you can reset your password by following the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Navigate to the deposit menu. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From there, you should see a menu option labeled Deposit Funds or something similar. Tap on that option to proceed. Step 4. Choose your deposit method. Questrade offers several different deposit methods, including bank transfer. This is the most common method, as it's usually free and can take a few business days to process. Interac e-transfer, a convenient and secure option that typically takes a few hours to complete. Credit card, while this option is quick and easy, it may come with fees. Step 5. Enter deposit amount. Select your preferred deposit method and enter the amount you want to deposit. Make sure to double-check the amount before proceeding. Step 6. Provide bank information. If necessary, if you're using a bank transfer, you'll need to provide your bank account information, including your account number and transit number. Step 7. Confirm deposit. Review the deposit details and confirm your deposit. Once you confirm, Questrade will process your deposit and the funds should be available in your account within a few business days. Additional tips. Security. Always be mindful of security when making deposits. Avoid using public Wi-Fi and never share your login credentials with anyone. Fees. Some deposit methods may come with fees. Be sure to check Questrade's fee schedule to avoid any unexpected charges. Processing time. The processing time for your deposit may vary depending on the method you choose and your bank's processing speed. Depositing funds on the Questrade app is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to investing and growing your wealth. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Questrade app today and start your investing journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.